Yo, what's going on, everybody? Before you watch this video, I just want to explain the cars that were in the video. So the first race is a F-body Trans Am manual 6.0 swap cam full bolt-on versus a STS-V with the exhaust. The owner says it's pulleyed and everything, but I don't know. Next up is the same STS-V versus a manual rev up 350Z with the exhaust and the intake and a gutted hatch. After that, we have a 5th gen Camaro SS auto torque converter cam full bolt-on versus a auto F-body Trans Am on a 200 shot, I believe, and he also is geared, I believe, and both of those cars are on a tire. So next up is the same cammed Camaro SS versus my 335i. My 335i is a 2007 E90. It's full bolt-on minus an intercooler for this video. It's an MXG Stage 2 E30 tune. And I was spinning my ass off, so I stood no chance against these tire cars. But anyway, next up is the SS again versus my 335i again. You know, I had nothing for him. So after that is the silver Trans Am, the 6.0 swap versus the same 350Z. After that is my 335i versus a stock 2016 Mustang GT auto. I think it has a muffler delete. It does now. I don't know if it did at the time. If it didn't, I'll put it in the description. So after that is the same cam Camaro SS versus my friend's Procharged manual 2-valve Mustang GT. You see what happened there. The 2-valve was on a tire as well. Every race was from a dig. My car had dirty injectors, so it was breaking up a little bit, but it still held its own pretty good. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.
Oh. It's even. Storage full. Nah.
That's it, brother.
How was Jimmy coming back? Jonathan got him. Oh!
Unless it be myself misfiring.
He's strong as fuck for a dude.
That's it.